Today, I want to show you a very common problem in many homes. This door is not properly aligned with the frame, and the bottom corner is rubbing on the floor. The main reason for this problem is misaligned door hinges. Many people think they need to remove the door completely or replace it, but I'm using a simple tool called the Hinge Doctor. With this tool, we slightly adjust the hinges so the door becomes level again and can close smoothly without touching the floor. Now take a look. After adjusting the hinges, the door is perfectly aligned and the problem is completely fixed.